Hello, my lovely Rose Soul fam, and welcome to another Powerful Rose Souls video. I am so excited. I have an unboxing. I've been waiting for this for what feels like forever. It hasn't been forever, but it feels like forever. My phone stand broke, so unfortunately I'm going to have to just show my reaction for a tiny bit, and then I'll flip this around and you can see, because this is my Oracle decks. I'm so excited, so I'm gonna open it. I have not opened it yet, I just covered my address. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the first one. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. And another one comes in here. Oh my gosh. And this one. Ooh. Okay, one sec. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Again, sorry for the lighting and everything. My stand broke. Let's... Oops, upside down, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm actually gonna prop you up here while I get them out of the plastic wrap so I can tell you about them. So, my first Oracle deck that I published was with this company, and the quality was tested by myself and my toddler. So I printed my other decks. This is actually stunning. I'm so freaking happy. Okay, this is the Lunaria Glade Oracle, a 52 card journey of magic, discovery, and transformation by me. Oh, I'm so excited. This feels like Christmas. Oh my god. The back, so sorry, this one's gloss. These cards are gloss, and of course I'm right next to a window. These are stunning. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my gosh. These are beyond beautiful. Oh my god. Like, oh my god. I'm so happy. I don't even know if you'll be able to hear me. I'm so excited, so emotional. And my family's in the kitchen cooking, so it is what it is. So, wow. Wow. Okay, so the next one that I made after that is this one. And she's a matte deck. Stunning. I'm so sorry, but like seeing these, oh my gosh, in person, ooh, holy crap, I am so grateful. These are this is the companion deck for my Discover Your Soul Self book that I wrote. It's available plastic wrapped and in the baggie. This one, because the bags don't fit, it just comes plastic wrapped. That was the vibe I was going for. So for this one, is the companion deck for my, so sorry, Discover Your Soul Self. Discover Your Soul Self. I'll just post the books because the fact that I can't even remember the name of the book that I wrote. So these ones are related to abundance and wealth. So they have the picture on the back, and on the front is the entire message. This one does not have a guidebook because it is a companion to my second book of the Soulwork series, which is stunning. I got distracted, man. This is also matte. Maybe I should just not be talking. Oh my gosh. Like, the vibes. The vibes. Oh my god. I'm taken aback. So yes, these are my Oracle decks. I don't know why I put this one back in the bag, but these are my Oracle decks, and I'm so excited and so proud. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see if there's... Oops. Thank you. So my Oracle decks here are part of my Soulwork series. Most of them anyways. This one is just its standalone amazing deck. The other two are part of my Soulwork series. They're companion decks and they're great standalone as well. They're just, I built them to focus around healing, growth, and they are part of my Soulwork series. So I'm gonna include little snippets here of my website where you can get them, and also what they connect with. My Soulwork series is available on Amazon, and the Oracle decks are separate. I was too excited to sit and formally make a video, so bear with me. My family's home, there are sounds, and I'm obviously just sitting on my couch. I just really wanted to open the decks, so here's where we're filming. But my Soulwork series is an incredible series. If you have any interest in deep healing and inner work, shadow work, thank you, honey. She's saying good job. If you have any interest in shadow work or healing, I also have a Patreon. I guess, hang on a sec, I'll incorporate that somewhere here too, that I am starting, and it's kicking off May 1st-ish. It's kicking off for May, and it's going to be the season of worth. And yeah, I'm just really excited to share all this with you guys, and hopefully I'll have a more put together video or like focused video soon. I love you guys, and I hope you have an incredible day.